Ever come home with your hands full of groceries, only to fumble for your keys? Or maybe you've had to rush home just to let a guest or delivery person in. Sounds annoying, right? So, a smart door lock takes away all that stress. It's one of the easiest ways to upgrade your home with remote access. And those don't just add convenience, but they also boost your home's security. In today's video, we're bringing you the 7 best smart door locks that combine security, convenience, and modern technology so you can find the perfect one for your home. If you prefer a smarter way to lock up without the hassle of keys, then meet the Yui Smart Lock C33, a sleek, fingerprint-powered lock. It's a smart lever lock that blends the feel of a traditional handle with modern biometric tech, giving you fast, secure access in just 0.3 seconds. And it connects via built-in Wi-Fi, so you can unlock your door remotely, get real-time alerts, and keep tabs on who's coming and going, all from your phone. No hubs, no extra gadgets. Just simple, smart control. And for $169.99, it's a solid deal, especially with its 8-month battery life. Yep, runs on 8 AA batteries and IP53 water resistance. And installing it. Pretty easy, no drilling required, and it works on both left and right-hand doors. Just a heads up though, it's not designed for glass or sliding doors, but for regular doors like garage entries, side doors, or even home offices. If you want solid security without the tech headache, the Yui C33 is definitely worth checking out. Reliable, easy, and wallet-friendly. Next up, the Aqara Smart Lock U300, the first Matter-compatible lever lock. It makes unlocking the door feel really effortless. With NFC and Apple Home Key support, you can just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to get in. No need to fumble for keys. And it also features a highly accurate fingerprint reader built right into the handle. Plus, it supports up to 50 fingerprints, which is great for families or small teams. And if someone needs temporary access, you can set one-time local passwords or even periodic ones for guests, so no internet is required. Also, it connects smoothly with other Aqara devices, so if you're already in their ecosystem, this fits right in. Besides, you get flexible access too, with customizable passage mode and various password options. And don't worry about the weather. It's IPX4 rated and built to handle the cold, even down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it might be a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Wave your hand and walk right in. Sounds cool, right? Now, if you want this cool upgrade, then let's have a look at the Veno Plus Palm Vein, a video smart lock. Instead of the usual fingerprint scan, this one uses palm vein recognition. Yep, your actual vein patterns, so your cat or dog can't sneak in with a paw scan. Plus, it automatically locks behind you, and it's fully compatible with Google, Apple, Amazon, and Samsung smart home systems. Yep, you can literally ask Alexa to open the door. It's not just about unlocking your door. It also comes with built-in video, so you can see who's at the door and even chat with them in real time. It also features dual sensors for accurate person detection and smart alerts when motion is detected. You'll get a wide 180-degree view from the built-in panorama camera, which helps monitor everything happening outside your door. Plus, there's two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever's there without opening the door. And voice masking keeps your identity private during conversations. Whether you're home or away, this lock gives you remote control and peace of mind, all packed into one sleek, modern design. So, we can say the Veno Plus is worth checking out. Next on our list is the ultraloq Ubolt fingerprint smart lock. This 6-in-1 keyless entry system gives you flexibility. You can unlock it using your fingerprint, the anti-peep keypad, your phone, auto unlock, magic shake, or even a good old-fashioned key if needed. The fingerprint sensor is quick, recognizing up to 120 prints in under 0.4 seconds. It's secure too, with a keypad that lets you enter random digits to keep prying eyes guessing. You'll get over a year of battery life from just 4 AA batteries, and it even supports geo-fencing for auto unlock when you're nearby. Now, If you want remote access, just add the optional Wi-Fi bridge, but it's sold separately though. And at around $200, it's a great pick for busy homes, big families, or rental properties where convenience and security both matter. Moving on to the LockXO Video Smart Lock with Doorbell, an innovative 6-in-1 device that transforms your front door into a comprehensive security hub. This smart lock is a do-it-all front door upgrade that blends a smart lock, video doorbell, and security camera into one device. It's got a 2K HD camera with a super wide 180-degree view and night vision, so you can see clearly whether it's day or night. Unlocking the door is pretty flexible. You can use your fingerprint, face, keypad, app, voice command, or even a backup key. It also comes with two-way audio, motion alerts, and a built-in doorbell that works up to 20 meters away. Plus, you can control it with Alexa or Google Assistant, and it's weather-resistant with an IP65 rating. Fingerprint scanning is quick and accurate, but it might not work well if your fingers are wet. So, LockXO is a great pick for anyone who wants full front door security, especially if you don't already have doorbell wiring. Next, take a quick peek at the Lockly Visage Zeno series lock, a smart lock built for busy lives. It uses advanced binocular facial recognition, so it scans your face with both camera and radar and unlocks the door. You can even store up to 100 faces, making it super useful for families or shared spaces. It also supports 3D fingerprint unlocking, Apple Home Key, and Lockly's unique Pin Genie keypad that shuffles numbers after every use, so no one can guess your code. And thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it remotely and connect it to Apple Home, Google Home, or Alexa. Need to let someone in while you're away? Just send them a temporary code via text or email. It locks automatically too, which is great if you're forgetful. And for $349, you're getting more than just facial recognition. Overall, the Lockly Visage is perfect for anyone who wants smart, hands-free entry without giving up security. Finally, we have the Yuthi Fam Lock S3 Max, a lock that really focuses on security and convenience. What really makes it stand out is its palm vein unlocking feature. This advanced tech reads the unique pattern of veins in your palm, and it's kind of like a fingerprint, but even harder to fake. It works really fast, too. And the best part? All that sensitive data stays stored right on the lock, not in the cloud, so your privacy stays protected. As it's a 3-in-1 smart lock, so you can unlock it with a wave, use palm vein recognition, or let it automatically lock. There's also a 2K HD built-in camera, so you can see clearly who's at your door. Also, it features smart detection that keeps an eye on what's happening at your door. If it notices anything unusual, then it sends an instant alert to your phone so you can check what's going on right away. Plus, it's weatherproof and runs up to 4 months on a rechargeable battery. So, if you're looking for a smart door lock that truly puts security first, the Fam Lock S3 Max is one worth checking out. Alright, these are the 7 best smart door locks that you can buy. So, which one would you love to pick? Let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.